welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the inactive friends on your Facebook using your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your login details and log into your Facebook account. Once you do so, you have to go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the top right corner. Then you have to find your friends list. Now, finding out the inactive friends is very tricky since Facebook does not provide a direct way to filter out inactive users. However, you can manually check by looking at the list of friends and checking their profile activities, noting the ones who haven't posted or interacted for a long time. Well, then remove the inactive friends by selecting their name and tapping on the three dots beside their name and tapping on unfriend. And guys, that's how you remove inactive friends on your Facebook using your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.